My peeps, what's going down? All right. I've got a question for you. All right. We've already got two, I believe. Dyson vacuums, 3, excuse me. And these fuckers are like $500 a piece. Well, we got 3. I thought we had 2, but 3. Well, she comes to me and says,
2 of them were $500.
She comes to me and says,
there's another one that was a little more expensive.
She comes and says, I need another vacuum. I'm like, you're fucking kidding me is what I'm thinking.
Wait,
I'm thinking to myself, okay, what's different about this one? And she says, it's more expensive. So, fuck.
Stop.
Anyway,
It wasn't.
let me show you what a goddamn $1,000 vacuum looks like.
No.
Look right there. That is a $1,000 vacuum.
Listen,
You know why it's $1,000? Because the motherfucker drives itself. I hope it has some other services as well, because Jesus Christ.
Wow.
For
I'm going to buy
$1,000.
another vacuum.
Well, maybe you made a good move after all. We'll see what the functions are
Wait.
on this motherfucker.
Wait. Y'all have seen the shiny floor, and y'all have seen our dogs.
Oh. Don't start yawing, everybody. Just own the fucking expensive goddamn remote control.
I spent too much time cleaning floors. I
She's
don't want to
the
do it
anymore.
anymore.
She controls it off her goddamn telephone.
I don't want to do it anymore. No more.
There you
I
have
wanna.
it. There you have it.
I